Hello and welcome to this video. There are 5 editions of SQL Server. The 5 editions of SQL Server are Enterprise, Standard, Web, Developer, and Express. I'll start with the Express. The Express is basically the premium edition. This is mainly used in an enterprise environment. It is comprehensive. It has a high-end data center. It also has capabilities for having very fast performance, unlimited virtualization, also end-to-end business intelligence. It enables high service levels for mission critical workloads and end user access to data insights. This is the most complete edition of all of them. To use the Enterprise edition, you must purchase a license copy. The next edition is the Standard edition. This edition is also licensed. That means you need to purchase a license before you can use this edition. And you can use this for basic data management and business intelligence, which is suitable for small to medium-sized firms. So it enables data management with some slightly minimal IT resources. The next edition is the Web edition. This edition is a licensed low-cost edition, which is very useful for web hosters to host their web applications. It is scalable, it is affordable, it's manageable, and can be used for small to large scale web applications. The next edition is the Developer edition. This edition is completely free to use. It has the same features as the Enterprise edition. The only difference is that it is licensed as a Developer edition. That means you can use it freely, but you cannot use it in a production environment. The Developer edition is very useful if you want to see what the Enterprise edition looks like, and then you can play around with the Developer one. You can also use it to build and test applications. The only difference is you cannot use it in a live production environment, but it's a good choice to experiment for educational purposes and to build and test medium to large scales applications. The final edition is the Express edition. This edition is completely free to use. It is an entry-level free database, and it is ideal for learning and for building desktop and small server data-driven applications. It is the best choice for independent software vendors, for developers, for hobbyists, if you're building small client applications. However, it is upgradable, so you can have it and also upgrade it to have more advanced database features. The Express edition is the most basic of all the SQL Server editions. It is completely free to use in a production environment. So if you have a small application, or if you're a small company that can't afford the Standard or the Enterprise edition, then you can use the Express edition in a production environment. And then if you decide that you want more advanced features, you can then upgrade it to a Standard or an Enterprise edition. In this video, I introduced you to the various editions of SQL Server. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.